Hey guys, I'm Vasho from bestmusiccourses.com. This video is going to be a review of Yousician, which is a very popular piano learning app. Actually, there are more instruments you can learn with Yousician, but now I'm going to focus on the piano. I have to admit I was a little bit skeptical about this app because when I saw some pictures of the interface, it looked more like game for children and not the serious lessons. But after trying, I have to say I was nicely surprised, because Yousician has, as well as some other piano learning apps, very nice features, quite big library of songs you can learn to play, and step-by-step lessons with video tutorials. So if you want to know how it works, what is inside, how much does it cost, and what are the pros and cons, keep watching. Before we start, I have two suggestions for you. The first is subscribe to this channel, especially if you are a musician or somebody who wants to learn music online. The second thing is if you want to compare Yousician with other similar products like Scoof, Flowkey, Playground Session or Piano Marvel, check out the description below this video, because you can find there a link for a deep review and comparison of all these apps. I think we are ready, so let's start with the basic description. As you already know, Yousician is the app that teaches you to play the piano. You can also learn to play the guitar, ukulele, bass guitar and singing. It works on all devices. There is a desktop version for PC and Mac and an application for iOS and Android devices. Yousician combines game-like features and design with the traditional learning, so you can learn the piano techniques and music theory while playing songs you like. Many reviews by Yousician users agree that this app can keep their attention and interest in music training longer. The best way to start with Yousician is a free 7-day trial, which allows you to try how it works. Then you can choose between Premium account paid monthly or Premium Plus account paid annually. The prices are comparable with other similar products in this category. In case you want to learn more instruments with Yousician, you can do so. Once you have your account, you have to download the app to your device. Then you choose the instrument, piano in our case, and choose between using an acoustic or a digital piano. Let's take a look at the dashboard. The main menu has three categories: Song, Learn and Challenges. Before telling you more about this, I want to show you guided lessons, because this is the best place where to start. After clicking, you can choose the time you want to spend practicing: quick, casual or intense. Then you decide about the style you want to play today: classical or pop. In guided lessons, you are going to learn step by step to play notes, melodies, chords, rhythm, and learn music theory in a fun way. While playing, you will be accompanied by background sound. The thing I like the most about Yousician is that these background tracks contain singing. You have a feeling like you are playing with the band, and this is really cool. Lessons are interactive. On the virtual sheet and keyboards you're gonna see notes you play. Correctly played notes are green, while incorrect ones are red. Yousician tracks everything you play. After finishing the lesson, you will get a feedback immediately. Yousician library contains hundreds of songs divided into 11 categories. You can filter songs according to the level range from 0 to 15 or genres. If you want to search for a specific song or author, click the search icon. Yousician regularly adds new songs to the repertoire. Every song is divided into several lessons. This way you are going to practice part by part, and finally you can play the whole song. Learn. This category is divided into two parts: mission and workouts. While mission helps you consolidate the experience you have learned in the guided lessons, workouts are a set of multiple tools for improving note reading, practice scales, chords and piano technique. Mission. This category contains 9 levels with different number of lessons. The purpose of each level is explained in video tutorial. You can practice in two modes, practice mode and performance mode. Practice mode allows you to change the tempo and turn on or turn off the right or left hand. You can also select the part of the song you want to practice by dragging the handles of the looper on the bottom bar. In the play mode, you can play the song or an exercise while Yousician checks if you play correctly or wrong. At the end of each lesson, you give a star rating score, while 3 golden stars represent a great result. In both modes, practice and play, you can choose between 3 notation styles. Enhanced, instead of notes, it displays colored bubbles with the name of the notes in the lines. Properly playing tones turn green while playing. The length of the notes is displayed by the length of the bubble. This is a purely visual representation that can help complete beginners, but for serious practice, it is better to use a classical notation. Classical notation displays notes and chord names. Colored. The color of each note corresponds to the color of the tones on the virtual keyboard. This tool can help control tones and fingering. In the setting found below the arrow on the top bar, you can turn the metronome on or off, adjust the tempo of the song, or turn off the backing sounds if you only want to play with the piano. Workouts. Under Workouts, you will find 14 tools for improving technique, playing chords, scales, sight reading, and ear training. Individual skills are contained in guided lessons and missions, but if you want to practice them separately, you can do so in Workouts. Challenges. If you like challenges, you can compete with other Yousician's users from the same level or your friends list. You are going to play the same song and the system evaluates and compares your success. Well, thanks to the kind of game-looking interface, I should say that the Yousician is best for children and teens. Colored and enhanced notation can be helpful for them to play more visually, but it can also be later a disadvantage. The way of practicing with background sounds can be very attractive also for adults hobby pianists who prefer playing songs they like and learning the piano basics. What I like about Yousician is a good audio quality and background sounds with singing, because I think this is really cool. The enhanced and color notation can be helpful for complete beginners, even I don't recommend to use it too often. If you like this type of learning the piano, you can also try to learn other instruments with Yousician like guitar, ukulele, bass guitar or singing. What I don't like is that dynamics, articulation marks and fingering are missing. You can't see the whole sheet and it is not possible to print it. And also the colorful interface may not suit everyone. I have to say that I like Yousician, even I don't think it is the best option. The question is, what do you expect from this app? What it does is that it makes learning the piano more attractive, and it can be a good choice for hobby pianists who want to learn popular songs and have fun. But it cannot replace the private lessons with teacher who can show you more details about hand techniques, fingering dynamics or an articulation. Anyway, I give Yousician 82%. So guys, I hope this review was useful for you. If you want to know about other possibilities on how to learn to play the piano online, check out bestmusiccourses.com. Thanks for watching, enjoy your day and the time with your piano.